Hi, my name is Julian, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually buy and sell NFTs on the Binance Market Exchange. I'm going to share with you how you can do this step by step, nothing left out, beginner friendly. Anyone in the world can pretty much buy on the Binance Market Exchange. And I'm going to share with you how you can actually get your first NFT and how to actually sell the NFT when you wish to sell it, if you wish to sell it. Now I'm going to share with you this step by step. And keep on watching, I will get started right away. I want you to understand Binance is one of the biggest exchanges in the world in terms of user base and trading volume. So it has huge potential in the long term to be an NFT marketplace that has a lot of attention on it. And as I'm aware, they've just released their NFT marketplace about 2 to 3 months ago. So it's really early days, extremely early days, and there's potential on there for early projects to come in, and if you get an early adoption, you might hit the jackpot. That's a possibility, and I just want to share with you how you can actually get into that NFT market space on Binance and how easy it really is. So if you're new to the NFT marketplace in general, I just want you to understand that NFT means non-fungible token. And I also want to share with you that really just means a collectible digital asset. In short term, that's all it really is it is a digital asset that people hold. So if you're new to the NFT space, all NFT means is non-fungible token. In short term, in a short sense, NFT is really just a digital asset that is like a collectible. Like for example, you could think of like cards and art in the real world, in like non-digital world. They're the collectible things. They can't be made again, and if they are made again, most likely you can tell if they're fake or not. So that's all it really is. That's what a non-fungible token really is, in a short sense. I could explain it further, but that's an easy way for you to understand. Now, the one thing that makes this unique is NFTs can't be stolen. The digital asset, not like a painting in real life, they can be ruined, stolen, and get old over time. Digital assets can't. They are around in the blockchain forever. Of course, people can get access to your account, and they can steal your they can take your NFT, but that's only if they get access to your account. You have to make sure you have the securities involved to make sure your account is secure. Other than that, they can't be destroyed, so they're around forever. And that most NFTs have a limited run, and that's why they're unique, especially collectibles. They normally have a run from 5,000 to 10,000, and that's why they're scarce at times, and that's why they sell out, and then they become valuable assets that these people associate with. Now, the first step is to make sure you have a Binance account. You need to register on Binance itself. So how you can do this is you just go to the Binance.com. Then you just want to click the register button here. Alright, so once you've clicked here, once you click the register button, it'll just take you to here. You need to put in your email and password and just follow along with the details here. I will leave a link in the description if you do want to sign up to Binance. But once you've signed up, you'll just have to confirm your email address, and then you're ready to go and log into your account. Now I'm going to log into my account because I've already got my account set up. Alright, so the next step is once you've registered your account and you've logged into your account, you need to go to this little icon here. I'll just move my face out of the way for a second. So you need to go to this icon here and click on identification. You need to verify your account with your government ID. So you just need to make sure you verify your account with the government ID, and you follow the steps that are below here to verify your account, and then you're ready to go. So now the next step is to understand that there's only three main currencies. There's only three main cryptocurrencies that are used on the NFT market. First is Binance, second is Ethereum, and then they also use US BNB. So it's USD Binance in BNB. So they pretty much use USD. So that's the three currencies that you use. And actually how to buy them is you can buy them with a bank transfer with PayID, which is instant, or you can do direct, you can do debit and credit and debit, which is going to be a fee involved if you do that. PayID is simple. You just need to send the money to the ID, PayID, like you normally would send it to a friend, and then you'll get the money in your account. debit is really simple too. I want to show you this because it's really simple and quick, but I would definitely do the Pay ID because there's no fees involved. So first step is you put in the amount that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 25. So like I mentioned, the ones that are that you need to buy either is BNB. You can swap them around. I will show you how to swap them. BNB or UBNB. Where is it? I'll find it here. BUSD. BUSD. So that's the main one that I've used personally, but you can also use Ethereum as well. But I've mainly used BUSD. But those three you can get, and you can convert them either way, so it doesn't really matter. Don't panic at all, because you can easily convert them. So all you do is click continue. Make sure you do this, and then just send the money into your wallet. I won't actually do it now, but I've already personally done it. You just have to put your Visa or MasterCard in there, and then confirm and continue. And then you get prompted to put in your security code CVV in, and then you're ready to go. You should have the money in your account. Alright, let's say you bought the BNB BUSD, and you actually need to have let's say BNB. It's really simple. So for example, I'll just go on to BNB here. So let's say I bought BNB but I need Ethereum. All you do is go to your spot wallet, fiat and spot wallet, click on that, and it will load up this page here. And now all you need to do now is to go to your BNB and you just convert. And now you can go to the drop down here and just go click your BNB, and now you can transfer it to Ethereum or BNB, BUSD, whatever one you need to get to actually buy the NFT. You'll understand in the next image, in a moment, why I just showed you that, but that should help you out if you do decide to, if you do want to buy an NFT in a different cryptocurrency. That's how simple it is. Alright, so once you've bought the BNB or BUSD or Ethereum, next step is to go to the NFT part up here. NFT, you just see it on the top tab. Now you're in the NFT marketplace. Now you can go to the marketplace here. Now you see why I said to you that you can swap it back to any cryptocurrency, any Ethereum or BUSD, or you can put it into BNB, because a lot of people accept pretty much mostly BUSD, but they also accept Ethereum and they accept BNB at times. So it's easy to swap it back if you want to. So now all you do is look for the digital art you're looking to buy. Let's look at something that's hot right now. So for example, if I was to buy this one here, the Crypto Shark, all you would do is click on it and you could place a bid. So most of the time there'll be a lot of NFT at marketplace that will allow you to bid on them. So you can place a bid on it if you wish, but I don't really want to bid on it. I want to show you how to purchase one. So I'll just go to somebody that I've found already. So let's go to filters. We can go to filters and just click on fixed price, and then we can just search it from there. So we're looking for something that's already fixed priced and it's not auction based. Fixed price. So it ends in 1 minute and 16 seconds. So you can actually buy this directly without a that's a fixed price. There's no auction. You can buy it directly for 117 BUSD, and all you do is click. So all you would do is click buy now, and it would say if you don't have enough, then you have to actually buy the cryptocurrency. So I don't have enough, but you get the point. As long as you just need to buy enough BUSD, and you should be able to buy one. So that's how it really works. So once you confirm to buy one, I'll show you the ones that I already have. If I click on User Center, I'll show you how you can actually access the ones that I've already bought. So NFT assets that I already own. So the crypto assets, you can see what I own in cryptocurrency here. You can unblink it, show what you own. You can see what's on sale here. Pixel Punks, and I've got this one as well. So I've already put up for sale. So let's say you bought an NFT. What you do would, once again, you would come to the user center, and now you should have your NFT right here. So NFT assets, crypto assets, this is your NFT assets. So as you can see, I've got one for sale already, and I've also got one that I can list. So how you sell your NFT is you list it in your collections. So you click list sell method. You can do a bid, or you can do set price. So it's really truly up to you. Now then you can set the price to whatever you want. So 500 BUSD, so that'll be 500 USD. You could do 5,000. It's totally up to you. It's really up to you, whatever you wish to sell it for. Whatever you think it's worth in that market at that time is truly up to you. Now you don't have to touch anything else. You just click whatever one it came from. So mine is collectible. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. You just want to showcase what you know it is. Do you know if it's collectible, or is it just an art piece that's a single piece or a part of a 10, 20 collection art piece? Mine was collectibles because there's only one of this one, but it doesn't really matter which one you choose. So all you do now is just press submit and you confirm. So the fee will be 100 BUSD once it sells. And that doesn't really matter to me. I'll just confirm. Now it's submitted for review. After a day, it should be up for sale. So that's really how simple it is to actually list an NFT and sell it. And that was how easy it is to actually buy an NFT. Now, like I said, you can buy an NFT directly off the market from auctions like this. You just need to be the highest bid. And once the timer runs out, if you're the highest bid, you win the NFT. That's all the auction really is. So you can even see one of my NFTs here. It's getting 20 seconds left. And it's up for 800 BSUD. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions at all, leave a link I'll leave comment in the description. If you need any help at all, let me know. I'll be able to help you. I'll help you out as much as I can. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. I hope this video helped you out.